Welcome back, guys, to another episode of Boost One. In today's video, we're going to be slapping on some new wheels onto the Turbo Civic. Introducing the new Koenig backbones. All right, introducing the new Koenig backbones down here to the build. So I've actually been wanting a new set of wheels for the longest time, and of course to lower it, but for the time being, I believe these Koenig backbones will do the job fine. I got these off of Facebook Marketplace for an unbelievable 130 bucks. So I am very satisfied. I mean, I'm very happy. Guy was super cool. He's building a K-Turbo EK hatchback, which is absolutely sick. He said he got some new RPF ones for it. So now I'll be putting these bad boys onto my Civic over there. So guys, stay tuned. Let's go ahead and get these wheels washed and throw them on the Civic. They actually have a nice golden flake to them, and I believe it will look great with this golden flake on my cart. Can't really see it because it needs to be buffed out. It rains every single time I work on this thing. I don't know what it is, but I think it's the curse of the Honda gods. Alright guys, so I've actually polished these wheels up before, and they're actually holding up pretty well. If you want to see that video, I'll leave it down in the description. But I gotta say, these wheels look pretty damn good. Still raining, but nothing will stop the Honda. It might not stop the Honda, but it might stop me from working on it because the garage is pretty occupied. Quick comparison, let's check out the weight difference between this wheel and this wheel. Now I grabbed the one with the medius tire, and we're getting 33.5. 33.5? Huh. I don't believe that. Stopped raining for a minute, so gives me just enough time to go ahead and put the wheels on this side. Now these look a lot better. Leave a comment down below what you think about these. These are 15 by 6.5s with a pretty nice offset. Sticks out a little bit further than this side. And these ones over here are 15 by 6. So guys, leave a comment down below which wheels you like more, these or those. The wheels are on the Civic. Let's go ahead and check this thing out. Also, it is so hot, so humid, so probably not going to be out here much longer. Maybe go take this thing out on a test drive in our next episode. Alright guys, so that's probably going to be it for today's video. Got some storms incoming. and I don't think I'll get any traction when it's raining. So guys, stay tuned for the next video. We'll take the turbo Civic out on the streets of Mexico and let it rip. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.